mo adesso, sai che? I want to tell you something, man. The coronavirus changed us so bad, really bad. But we still know how to cook, okay? I'll let you know later. Good evening. Today I'm going to show you how to make a nice fry and crispy calamari, okay? So we have about 8 ounces of calamari, okay? Give a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Look how easy it is. Look.
And flour, right?
The flour, yes. We're going to submerge the flour with the calamari, okay?
Any butter, any...
Nothing. Look. See, with the same water, the calamari is going to stick. You see that? Now, because we want to make a little, you put some salt and some pepper. See? You let it set a little bit. You'll see it, okay? You see that? You see what happened with the same water with the calamari? You see that?
Yeah.
Now the best part goes to the fire. You strain it a little bit. You see that? Nice. And I show you how to make a little calamari quickly, guys. Quickly. About 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, because it was not used much. The oil has to reach about 375 to 380 degrees. So now you'll see I'm gonna let it go a little bit. We'll take a little bit more time so you get the nice and crispy inside. And now follow me. I'm gonna make a little bit of sauce.
And for the sauce, what's the ingredients?
It's very simple. A little bit of marinara sauce, capers, garlic, a little spice into it, a little salt and pepper.
Also, you can also have some type of sauce in your preference
yes,
too.
But that one's called Livornese. It's amazing. It's a nice dip.
Wonderful.
Let me get a little bit of Italian parsley as well. See how you... I'm going to add a little bit of water, okay, guys? As you know, water with the pasta is a little starch. I use a lot of it.
Wonderful. And
okay.
any butter in there?
Not butter, nothing.
Wonderful.
Just let it go. Almost there, almost. I like it crispy, the crispy side.
They have to get that brown color.
Brownish. Not too brown though, not too brown. Hey, now we see, 1 second, we're getting there, you see the problem, a lot of people make a mistake on this, when you put the calamari on the fryer, you have to wait a little bit, because that's when the oil come up a little bit, the calamari is kind of cold, so you have to reach still 380 degrees. So we're waiting a little.
And now you're gonna add any salt and pepper now as well?
A little bit of salt. Just a little, guys. Just a little bit of pepper. See that? See? I need a plate. There. Small little plate. Look at the calamari, nice and crispy. Look at it. See that?
That's amazing.
You're gonna put it. I do like parsley, I'm really...
Just a touch also for decoration.
Couple of wedge lemon.
Wonderful.
Now, you get the sauce. The sauce is called Livornese, the one I described you before.
Wonderful.
Capers, garlic, a little bit of spicy. There we go.
Oh, perfect.
We ready to try, guys? Crispy calamari with a little Livornese sauce. The sauce we made a little bit runny, but it's good, okay, guys? Here we go again. Now we got a nice appetizer. Fried calamari with a little Livornese sauce and the lemon. Gonna squeeze it a little bit, not much, guys, okay? A little bit, okay? Because you have the sauce. Now we're gonna have a little bit of wine too. My recommendation, because it's an appetite. Sorry guys, let me remove my mask again. You know, with the COVID, I'm going crazy with COVID-19.
And also, as you said, you can add any rosé. And,
yes, because this is an
also white wine.
appetizer. So, appetite with the rosé, accomplished. It's very nice. You know, white, dry. It's a little bit of fruit is into it, but it's good. Let's open it. Let me try. Actually, it's a nice one.
Amazing. Also, this can be a nice, perhaps.
Now I'm gonna eat it with my hand. Like a really, look what I do. On the dip, look, the sauce. Mamma mia. It really is good now. Marco.
I must try those, huh?
Simple. It could be a little more crispy. But look, with the sauce is a little bit running, okay?
I'm gonna go ahead with my hands too. I washed them, but just check this out.
With the sauce,
Yeah. Nice and crispy.
These are good. Look. Oh, now what we have to do, as I said, the sauce is a little spicy, a little runny. That's all you need. You know what I mean? Rona. I really like it. Marco, you should try the wine too. It's dark crispy. Yeah. Oh. There we go again, guys. Ooh. Luckily, you can still make a good food here. This I call simple calamari. No eggs, no cream, nothing. Just simple.
I'm gonna go ahead too.
You may. Put yourself a glass. Simple. A little bit of flour. You can manage the flour a little bit if you want to. We can play with a little bit of rice flour, so you can make a little crispy, less crispy if you want to. But this, no eggs, nothing, no cream, nothing on it. Just calamari, little flour, and dip.
And cheers to all of you, and make sure to stay safe. And cheers to Angelino, and thank you for cooking this amazing calamari.
Salute. And don't forget to
subscribe.
Grazie mille, ciao.
Alla prossima.